Product name: Creative Co-op Distressed Small Tile Terracotta Planter, Green Flower Pots. By now check the description. Product number 2. Product name: Creative Co-op Modern Hand-Painted Stoneware Design, Multicolor Planter, Multi. Product description: Mix and match our carefully curated collection of standing, wall mount, and decorative pots and planters. Explore a vast array of textures, hues, and silhouettes to create a personalized indoor jungle, including planters on stands, wall buckets, oversized pots, hanging planters, figurine planters, window boxes, footed pots, and so much more. Choose from a wide array of materials from stoneware and ceramic to metal and glass, and styles from contemporary boho and classic farmhouse to mid-century modern and vintage glam. Showcase lovingly grown herbs and greenery inside pieces from this artfully crafted collection, or simply use as a stylish cover for low-maintenance faux flora. By now, check video description. Thank you everyone. Product name: Umbra Triflora Hanging Planter, set of 5, white. Product description: Triflora is a hanging planter for indoor plants that combines the utility of a drapery rod with the beauty of potted plants. Great for herbs, succulents, vine plants, and more. Triflora hanging planter mounts to your wall or ceiling and adds functionality to your window by turning it into a space for growing plants. Because its pots are made from durable recycled molded polypropylene, Triflora remains lightweight even once plants are potted, allowing Triflora to be the lightest weight possible. You can adjust the length of Triflora's ropes and slide them anywhere along the metal rod to customize the position of each hanging pot. Triflora's pots can hold standard 3-inch, 7.6 cm diameter pots, so there's no need for repotting. Max weight capacity of 15 pounds, 6.8 kilograms. Triflora can also be used outdoors. Need some drainage? Easily drill a small hole into the bottom of each pot. Product name: Umbra Trigg Hanging Planter Vase and Geometric Wall Decor Ceramic Container, great for succulent plants, air plant, mini cactus, faux plants, and more, large, white/brass. Product description: Feel like your home or office can use a touch of modern decor to liven things up? Try adding this unique and versatile geometric vessel collection from Umbra. Introducing Trigg by Umbra. Use Trigg as a planter to add some greenery to your space, or to keep small items, like pens and pencils, organized in a stylish and unexpected fashion. No matter how you use it, this geometric vessel creates a strong impression thanks to its unique shape and modern finishes. Available in a tabletop or hanging wall version, Trigg makes an ideal wall planter, hanging planter for indoor plants, fake plants, air plant holder, and more. Made of a waterproof resin body nested in an innovative plated wire frame, this decorative vessel looks great anywhere in your home or office, instantly adding depth and dimension to any decor. Create a mini indoor garden or keep small items like desk supplies handy and organized by ordering Trigg today. About Umbra, a global product design company providing original, modern, casual, and functional design for the home. Please description check. And order now.